镜头来国外，再去看世界。美国的国家交通安全管理局对电动车特斯拉自动辅助驾驶系统进行调查，尾也认定讲有安全的记录。所以即马特斯拉伫13时嘛宣布讲，因要调回200万台轿车，要进行软体更新。受影响的车辆会收到通知，伫远端接受更新就会使。
这当讲是特斯拉有史以来上大规模的调回，包括伫美国卖出去的所有车超过200万台。特斯拉讲，因为自动辅助驾驶系统可能无法度防止驾驶误境，并且可能会增加车祸的风险，将会更新软体，强化安全保护。
Even though I have it on this vehicle, I've never kicked it into autopilot.
It does a lot of ghost braking. So basically, if you're on the freeway and if you're in like the slow lane and a car is trying to come onto the freeway, it'll slam on the brakes.
美国国家公路交通安全管理局对特斯拉动机调回表示赞同。在过去2年多来，针对特斯拉自动驾驶系统进行调查，赛车时阵若甲自动驾驶模式开开，赛车人就可能无专心。
They're not paying attention, and the Tesla just doesn't see the semi-truck runs under it. And you would think if they were paying attention, they would have avoided it. That we need more aggressive driver monitoring, and that's what this recall is about. Most people think you really need a dedicated camera for that.
特斯拉的自动驾驶系统主要是沿着车道内面特定路线或者是方向向前驶、加速、加打档啊。那国家升级的自动驾驶系统是会当伫咧高速公路换车道，但是拢无法度实现真正的自动驾驶。特斯拉将会提供车主免费换新的软体，增加控制加警报，让赛车人更加注意赛车的安全。公司新闻吴文玲编辑。